Hello, you're watching Proactive. I'm joined by Ina Braverman, the CEO of EcoWave Power. Ina, very good to meet you. So for viewers not familiar with the company, could you tell us briefly about EcoWave Power?
So EcoWave Power is an innovative technology company which developed a unique technology for generation of clean electricity from ocean and sea waves. And we're currently operating the first grid-connected wave energy array in the history of Israel that is sending clean electricity from the waves to houses and to the port of Jaffa and any basically location in proximity to the port.
So, Ina, you were out with your first quarter results recently, and in those you did highlight some of the milestones, including the progress you've made in Israel. Take us through some of the other milestones and upcoming catalysts for the company.
So actually, EcoWave Power is currently in, I think, the most exciting time that I've experienced as the CEO, because we really have positive progress in all our projects. We had, in August 2023, we have connected to the grid our EWP EDF1 project in Israel, in the port of Jaffa. This project is done in collaboration and co-investment from the Israeli government that recognizes us as pioneering technology, and 50% investment from EDF, Électricité de France, which is the French national electrical company. What's interesting about this collaboration, that as part of the collaboration, EDF is analyzing and certifying the results of the production, the results of the technology. So for us, getting the reports, kind of approving the technology will be a game changer. And EDF is a huge company, which we believe that will also assist us in penetrating the European markets. Since January, since the analysis has started, we've seen continuous improvement in energy generation results and in downtime. This month, actually, downtime decreased to 0%, which is amazing. We started in January downtime of like 35%, and we're able to reach 53% of our forecasted energy in the site, which is a significant improvement, and we expect to improve it further. Our first project that we're planning to implement in the US will be in the port of Los Angeles. We signed an agreement with AltaSea in the port of LA. It is super exciting for us because the US right now doesn't have any operational wave energy project, so that will be the first one, which will definitely serve as catalyst for recognition of EcoWave Power's technology, of the existence of this kind of innovative device for wave energy generation. What's super exciting and very recent is that in April this year, we announced collaboration with Shell, the oil and gas company. So Shell MRE will be investing 50% of the cost of the project in the port of LA. So currently, we have most of the equipment already on site in the port of LA. As soon as we get the last license from the Army Corps of Engineers, we will proceed to installation, which will be a very exciting moment for us. And the next power plant that we're planning to execute, and actually starting already the preparation these days, is our first commercial project in Portugal. It's a project as part of a 20 megawatt concession agreement that we entered with a Portuguese Port Authority called APDL. We're starting with 1 megawatt, which will be completed in about 20 months and expanded to 20 megawatts. And this will be the first EcoWave Power commercial project in the world, and also I think the first wave energy commercial project in the world. So here EcoWave Power will get the chance to show that we're not only cost efficient and reliable and environmentally friendly and can easily connect to the grid, but we can also become profitable and produce more energy than wind and solar.
Ina, what would you say is your unique selling points? What's the investment case for EcoWave Power?
I think that EcoWave Power has a very special position in the wave energy industry, since we kind of took a completely different approach from our competitors. 99% of the competitors in the wave energy field went into the offshore, which is 4 or 5 kilometers into the sea. Their prices are sky high. They need ships and divers and underwater moorings and cables. They break down very often. In the offshore, you have waves of 20 meters and even higher. And unfortunately, no man-made stationary equipment can survive the loads of a 20-meter wave height. They can get insurance. They're not environmentally friendly because they have to connect to the seabed, which infringes kind of on the natural balance of the environment. And they have difficulty to connect to the grid since it's very remote from the nearest grid connection points. And so it's very expensive and complicated to connect to the grid. EcoWave Power took a nearshore onshore approach. We don't connect to prime real estate or beaches that are being used for tourism, but we connect to existing man-made structures like piers, breakwaters, jetties, which are not used for anything other than breaking the waves. So we get these structures usually free of charge, as opposed to solar and wind projects, which pay a lot for the land in the project. And we turn these structures that are actually not good for the environment, because, you know, stones and cement in the water is not good for the environment, but the cities and ports have to build it to protect the cities from storms. So we take something that is not good for the environment and we turn it to a source of clean electricity. So here we offer a solution that is cost efficient, reliable, fully insurable, 100% environmentally friendly, and easily connected to the grid.
Well, Ina, thank you very much for the introduction today. I hope you'll keep us posted on any progress at the company.
Thank you very much.
That's Ina Braverman, co-founder and CEO of EcoWave Power.